Hey, how's it going? This is my Flutter app. It is essentially a Flappy Bird clone. I just named it Hoppy Frog Game because it's a frog instead of a bird. It's not too complicated. You can see here this is my main file, and when we call the run app function, it's going to go ahead and build what is called a game widget. And then we do have these overlay builder maps of main menu and game over. Those are just some screens that we've added for the game. And we can see those screens here. Nothing too crazy, just nice and simple. Didn't want anything that would be too confusing. And then we do have the game functions and then also just some components. The components are the background, just the background image, the bushes, which is this cool parallax effect that makes it feel like the frog is really moving, the frog file itself, which is going to be the frog, the hopping, the collision, and the resetting and game over for, when those rounds are over, as well as the update that just is when the frog is moving, the ground, which is just the ground in its hitbox, the pipes, which are our obstacles that we're avoiding, and then the pipe grouping, and this is what controls the spawning of the pipes, the distance that those pipes spawn at, and the heights that they spawn at. In this assets file right here, we have all of our pictures. In this configuration file, we have some constants to reference throughout the game just to keep things consistent. In this frog movement, we have some different options that I'm going to implement at a later date just to be used with animations down the line. And then this is the game file, the Hoppy Frog game.dart file. And this is going to keep track of the game time, whether or not you've hit something. And then when this is called, it's going to go ahead and set the device to full screen, set it to landscape, and then add all of these assets to our game. So it's going to add the background, those bushes, the ground, the frog, and the score. And then interval on tick, add pipe group, so that's just going to keep them spawning consistently. We're going to build that score component. We're going to say when someone taps the screen, we want that frog to hop. And then we're just going to say when main menu is called, go ahead and just add that main menu in. And then this is to dictate where the pipes are placed. I just wanted the pipes to spawn at the bottom, but this could be altered to go ahead and add them at the top as well. Then we can go ahead and run this. I'll pull up my emulator right here. And then we'll just go ahead and let that run. And we will make this a little bigger for us. And we can see it's going to go ahead and run now. This is our main menu, so we'll just go ahead and tap this play button. And then you can see the game's running, our score is 0, and then the pipes begin to spawn. You can see as we go over the pipes, our score increases. And then if I do really bad, you can see it ends there, collision's been detected. And then we go ahead and just restart, and it takes us right back. And then you can also see when I hit the ground, it goes ahead and counts as a collision as well and stops it for us. And you can see it'll just keep spawning these pipes indefinitely. And we do have this nice parallax effect in the background that makes us feel more like we're moving. And then it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.